Welcome to Savvy Tech Avantika. Today we're diving into artificial intelligence, or AI. What is AI? How does it work? Let's find out. AI is a technology that enables machines to think and work like humans. It learns from data, identifies patterns, and makes decisions. AI is used in healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. AI systems rely on data to function. First, data is collected and processed. This processed data is used to train AI models. Once trained, these models can be deployed in real-world applications, making AI incredibly versatile. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases, planning treatments, and discovering new drugs. It's revolutionizing the way we approach medical care. In finance, AI detects fraud, assesses risk, and aids in making better investment decisions. It's transforming the financial industry by enhancing security and efficiency. In transportation, AI is developing self-driving cars, managing traffic, and making travel safer and more efficient. It's paving the way for the future of mobility. AI is a powerful technology with the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. As it continues to evolve, expect even more amazing applications. Thanks for watching.